Welcome to RSEHS Academy. Liquefied chlorine tunnel and cylinders safety. Chlorine is a highly toxic chemical, but very useful in many ways, and looking to the wide usage and the quantity supplied by cylinders and tunnels, it needs utmost care during handling. Chlorine tunnels and cylinders capacity. The liquefied chlorine is mainly supplied to the consumers by dedicated trucks in 900 kg net weight tonners and in cylinders of 100 kg net weight. Chlorine tunnels design and structure. Let's understand tunnels structure and the importance of such structure. Liquefied chlorine is stored in the tunnel's side and front view shown for better understanding in the animation on liquid and vapor space. Further to the design and structure, it is shown for better understanding here. Tunnel's external and internal view to explain the inner tube arrangements which are connected to the walls outside the tunnel. Upper one is for vapor space and lower one is for liquid space. In case of leak from one valve, the tunnel is rotated in such a way that the leaky valve position is on upside. This helps in the stopping the liquid chlorine flow, and the possibilities of arresting the leak in gas phase is more safer than in liquid phase. Chlorine tunnels and cylinders storage. Chlorine cylinders and tunnels shall be stored under the shade away from moist area and heat or fire. The storage quantity also shall be minimized. Inputs from PHA and CA can be used for the same. Chlorine tunnels shall not be stacked one above. Unsafe condition. Tunnel is left unattended under the direct sun. There is potential for damage to the tunnel and leak from it. Tunnel got heated and pressurized by the heat from the sun, and its side end got bulged. Due to the pressure, the tunnel got ruptured and started leaking. General precautions for safe handling. Chlorine tunnel cylinders shall be checked for contaminants, if any, before filling. Tunnel cylinders shall be inspected for damage, dent, corrosion, if any. Tunnel cylinder accessories shall also be checked to ensure fitness. Please note that the moisture in contact with the liquefied chlorine can cause massive explosive reactions. Let's understand chlorination process arrangements. There is warning displayed in the area. Chlorine handling section, warning alert. Restricted area, unauthorized entry prohibited. Authorized personnel shall carry escape set, also shall carry the personal gas detector. Press manual call point in case of emergency or call 101 or 102. Here in this case, chlorine tunnel is in use for the chlorination process. Emergency handling. Chlorine tunnel cylinder area shall be equipped with following safety systems: suction hood and dedicated scrubber, chlorine gas detector fixed in the area, SCBA set or online BA set, safety showers and manual call point, water curtain for the leaked gas containment, and emergency handling toolkit. Please note that if you are not trained and validated for emergency handling, please do not attempt to handle emergency and immediately call for help. Here the emergency handling scenario is shown. The tunnel has a leakage and the leak is contained within the hood, and the leaked chlorine gas is being scrubbed in the scrubber through suction hood. Water sprinklers can be actuated for creating water curtain to contain the leaked gas in a limited area. Please note that the water shall not be sprayed on the leaky portion of the containers. Thank you for watching. Please note that the video is for general safety awareness on chlorine tunnels and cylinder safety. You have to follow your company procedure.